Yo, what's up guys, it's your boy Olusola David and you're welcome to my YouTube channel. Now in today's video, I'm going to be walking you through a step-by-step guide on how you can create your own personal Transferwise account. Now the good thing about this Transferwise account is you can have several bank accounts under the same account. Okay, you can have an account in US, you can have an account in Britain, you can have an account in whichever country you want to, and you can control and manage all of them inside one account. Okay, but you should have at the back of your mind that creating a Transferwise account is in two ways. Okay, you can either have the personal account or the business account. So it is easy to get started with the personal account because they don't actually require any paperwork to get started using the personal account. But if you want to use the business account, then your business should be registered and you should have your document ready to be uploaded, because they are going to review your business before they activate the business account for you. So once you have the business account, you can as well receive money from any part of the world and equally send money to any part of the world. But with a personal account, you can receive money and you can send money, but your account is going to be limited to some certain countries. Okay, the number of accounts you can have with a personal account is limited compared to the number of accounts you can have with the business account. Okay, so that's basically how it works. So without any further ado, I'm going to proceed and show you how you can create an account on Transferwise. Okay, so let's get started. So as you can see, I'm on the home page for Transferwise and I'm going to click the register button to get started. Okay guys, so as you can see, we have the personal account and we have the business account. Okay, so what we have to do, just leave it at the personal account, and what you have to do now is enter the email address you want to use. So in this case, I'll just put my email address quickly here. Okay, so my password. Alright, so then you have to choose your country of residence. So in my case, I'll simply put Nigeria. Alright, so as you can see, my account is created and I'm inside my dashboard. It says welcome to Transferwise, send money, get paid and spend abroad up to 8 times cheaper than with a bank. Okay, so as you can see, we have send money here, receive money here, get a card. So on this one of the benefits of using a Transferwise account, you can equally have a credit or debit card of your own. Okay, and you can easily walk up to any ATM and cash out your money depending on the currency you are using. Okay, so it depends on what you want to use your Transferwise account to do. Okay, so we have send money, we have receive money. So if you want to send money or if you want to use it to receive money, just click on the receive money. Alright, so like I said earlier, I said it's in two ways, which is the personal use and the business use. Okay, so now this is for a personal user account and this is for a business account. So everything is incorporated together inside one account. Okay, so even if you are starting with a personal account, that doesn't mean you can still not have the business account. So whenever you are ready to use the business account, you can simply click on the business account. But now if you don't have your document ready, I'll suggest you start with a personal account. So I'm going to start with a personal account here. So I've clicked on the personal account, so it's going to ask you to create your own personal profile. Okay, so what I have to do here is enter my full name, so the next thing to do now is to click the save button. Okay, so as you can see, step 2, D2, this is why I said you should use a valid phone number. Okay, so they are going to send an OTP to my line. So alright, I think I have the OTP now. So okay, so my account is activated and my account is ready. So what balance would you like to open first? Okay, so I said you can have several accounts under the same account. So if you want to start with an Australian dollar, you can choose this British pounds, UAE, whichever of these. Okay, so all you have to do is just click on the account you want to create. Okay, then you have to pay a certain amount of money into the account to activate. I think you can start with £20. Okay, so for me to do this, I'll click on the open your GBP balance, and it's going to bring out the bank account details where I'm supposed to pay the certain amount of money. So once I pay in the certain amount of money, my account is going to be activated. So this is basically how it works. I don't want to create an account again because I have an account already. Okay, so this is basically everything you need to do. So once your account is up running and you want to add a business account to it, okay, so all you have to do is just, let me quickly show you that. Click on your profile button here and you see create a personal account or create a business profile. So when you're ready to create your business profile, all you have to do is just click on the create a business profile. So it's going to be asking details about your business, your country of business, your company type, the registered business name, the registration number, the business address, city, and postal code. So once you have all these details, all you have to do is confirm it, and in few days later they're going to send a mail to you to confirm your business details. Okay, so they ask you to upload your business certificate and some other legal stuff about your business. So this is basically how it works. This is everything you need to know to create your personal Transferwise account. I hope this video is helpful, and if you like the video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget I'll add a sign up button at the description of the video. So whenever you're ready to create your account, just go to the description of the video and get started with the sign up link. Okay, so thank you for watching. I'll see you on the next one.